the song remained. And I was hiding by the stair, half here, half there, past the flashing rain. And as the sky would pedal.
Today we have come together to celebrate the beginning of Sam and Claire's new adventure in their lives. A journey that will be filled with the comfort that comes with knowing that now there is someone to walk with. To marry the person you have set your heart upon is a joyous and unparalleled in human life. Today, Sam and Claire become husband and wife.
As we stood congregated at the firing line. But the song remained. So I headed to the wall, turned tail to call to the new domain. As if in the sight of sea, you're suddenly free, but it's all the same. Oh, but I can hear you loud in the center. Like
I, Sam, take you, Claire, to be my lawful wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold, from this day forward, as long as we both shall live.
I, Claire,
Take you, Sam.
take you, Sam, to be my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, as long as we both shall live.
We now, by the power of your love and the commitment you have made, declare your marriage to be valid and binding, and declare you, Sam and Claire, husband and wife.
second
Sam,
son
may kiss the bride.
on the other line now, back in our town as a castaway. I'm reminded at the time it all fell in line on the 3rd of May, as if it were designed, painted in sand to be washed away. Oh, but I can hear you.
It's very rare to have a friendship not only for so long, but to keep such a strong bond with someone throughout all the changes life brings us over the years. She's my Claire Bear, and I love her.
Next month will mark 16 years of friendship for Sam and I. I'm now lucky enough to call Sam my brother-in-law and more recently uncle to my daughter. Sam and Claire, wish you a lifetime of love, happiness, and adventure. Cheers.
It all fell in line on the 3rd of May, as if it were designed, painted in sand to be washed away. Oh, but I can hear you loud in the center. Aren't we made to be crowded together like Did I change overnight? Second son